Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can do voiceover in your iPhone 16 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings friends, then you have to just simply click on this accessibility. Here it is voiceover. From here you can enable it.
Voiceover on, settings, accessibility, back button.
And you can see this is now enabled. You can just turn
Voiceover, switch button on.
and you can just turn
Double
it,
tap to toggle setting.
and from here you can turn it off like this,
Voiceover off.
and it is off right now. From here you can enable the speech
Voiceover
rate
on, speaking rate, speaking rate, 50%, adjustable. Speaking rate, adjusts the speaking rate of the voiceover off.
From here you can increase the speaking rate also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.